What's going on YouTube? It's Ed here from Honda Miami. Check it out. We have the 2022 Honda build coming along nicely with the upgraded roof and windshield. Thanks to my buddy Nick for that roof. You always do a great job supplying the Pro Box. But we have here these baller tires. Here going for a ride in the new 2022 Honda Talon. If you just saw that, we did not have any clicking going into reverse. We got mirrors on this thing. We got the Pro Box audio system, thanks to my buddy Nick over at Pro Box. Check out the new display unit. We're showing you in this video, the test drive video, the shifting performance on the new Honda DCT transmission upgrades between the 22 and the 21s. But we're gonna give it a quick shakedown. No shift clunking, nothing. This is smooth. We got sport mode activated. Yeah, you don't even feel the transmission shifting. That thing drives so smooth. Paddle shift. Good. Super comfortable. All right, guys. Well, that's it for the test ride video. If you guys got any questions or want to see us do more, we're going to do this versus a Pioneer coming on up. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the YouTube channel.